Family, what's good? If everybody can hear me loud and clear, drop them sevens in the chat right now. Yes, sir. I see you, John over there. I see you, Kiki. Okay, drop them sevens. Oh, this energy is crazy tonight. All right, drop them money bags if you're trying to get some money in here tonight. Drop them money bags. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So my name is Q, and I'm going to tell y'all about an opportunity that y'all can soon take advantage of that changed my life forever. I was broke. I ain't had nothing. I was working a 9-to-5 lifestyle at Little Caesars. And guess what, y'all? Guess what now? I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm a six-figure earner. I earn six figures every single day. And you could do the same exact thing. You could do the same exact thing. So let me tell you about it. Anybody ever heard of the foreign exchange market? They call it Forex. This is a $1 trillion market where people trade currencies all of the time. This is a world thing. People do it all around the world. All you do is have to take advantage of the fluctuations in the market, and you can earn that way too. But guess what? You may think of it, oh, this might be hard, this might be confusing, I might not be able to do it. Well, guess what? There's something. It's a problem solver. It's called IML. It's the academy. You join IML, you won't have to worry about nothing. You ever had a smart kid in class? You ever had somebody that you cheated off of? Put a 5 in the chat if you ever cheated before. I know everybody that cheated off somebody before. All right, if you ever cheated off the smart kid in class and you know if you cheat off of them, what you gonna do? You gonna win. That's what we do. That's what we do. Me and my team, we stay winning. So if you cheat off of IML Academy, because guess what? They gonna give you these things called signals. You don't have to do no work at all. All you do is have to put the money in, follow the signal, and guess what? Boom! You about to get this money. You about to get this money. So don't let nobody fool you. All the skepticism is that easy. All you do is have to do that. Follow our signals. You got six-figure earner mentors that you can call at any time of the day. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You don't have to do nothing. This opportunity changed my life. And like I said before, I'm a six-figure earner every single day. Now guess what? One thing, all you gotta do is you gotta pay $225 a month. Now tell me, I know people gonna get skeptical. $225? You spend that on groceries every month. You mean to tell me you can't pay $225 to change your entire life, to go from broke to rich and famous? Do you want to be able to flex on Instagram and have 10,000 plus followers? Do you want to be able to wear all the nice clothes, do all the nice things like I do, and be able to retire your mom? I just retired my dad yesterday. I retired my mom 2 weeks ago. I'm about to retire my brothers next week. My future kids are already retired. I just made $30,000 in the last minute that we were talking to each other. I'm telling you, all you gotta do is join the academy. So you know what? I got a prize. I got a cash prize. I'm very generous. I'm gonna show y'all how generous I am. I was gonna wait till the end of the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and give that prize right now. Everybody, drop a 5 in the chat if you want to learn about that cash prize. All right, that cash prize. The next 6 people that DM me and sign up for IML, you're going to get $25 off your first month subscription. That's what I'm talking about. Who want that? Who want that? All right, y'all go ahead. First 6 people to DM me. I'm waiting. Go.
Of a chairman of like Chairman 50, and like it's them looking at the sky or their hand out, and they got like a picture. It's like a blue infograph, a picture of them in the middle, picture of them on the side, and another side that says, hey, come to my seminar next week and you can learn how to trade the Forex market. You don't want to miss it. Yeah, you do want to miss it.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Ignorant Money Club. Sorry I had to be a little, dramatic. But that's literally how those guys and girls be on those calls sometimes. But anyways, before we jump into the video, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoy all the content that I'm always putting out. Like the video if you feel like this is very informative to you. Even if you don't, I don't care. A lot of people probably gonna hate on it. They probably gonna be mad. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. And let's go ahead and jump into this thing. All right, so for anyone who is familiar with kind of what I just did, everyone knows about the whole MLM or Forex type investment that a lot of people have been spreading, especially around the Black community. I don't really see it too much in other communities. Probably is. There's a lot of MLM all over the world. It's MLM or multi-level marketing and a lot of different things. But certain things like the Susu, they incorporate in the Forex. And let me get this straight. For the record, read my lips. Forex is not a scam. Forex is not a scam, and I've never tried to say that or imply that. But incorporating MLM into Forex and other things does make it, you know, on some scam type stuff. Because a lot of people go into this stuff without the best interest for the next person that they're bringing in, and it just becomes like this big, huge, just like recruiting vehicle. And so that's why I feel like, all right, you know, it is a scam. So let me just go ahead and break things down for anyone who isn't familiar with multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is AKA a pyramid scheme. As you know, a pyramid is like this, you know, pyramid, you got small at the top, big at the bottom. And that's kind of the structure in which a multi-level marketing operates. They operate like that because it's a system where you continuously recruit more people, and the more people you recruit under you, it builds up this entire structure until like you're that, you know, top guy. And when you do that, it continuously floods, you know, more income into you, being that you're the first person to kind of initiate this whole thing. So they have started something called IML or IM Academy, whatever they want to call it. They got names, different names for it. And it's done in different vehicles. And you may have seen these flyers. You got these black people or young black people. They dress pretty fly. I ain't gonna even lie. Dressed up nice. They look very nice, look very professional. But they're on these flyers and it's saying like Chairman 20, Chairman 25, Chairman 75 or whatever, and you know, platinum, whatever. So these are the different tiers that you can be within this whole MLM. And that is pretty much how they recruit people to get other people into the whole like mentality, like this is a vehicle for constantly building wealth. And you know, some people are getting paid funds through it. They're getting paid residual income, but it's not like, okay, I'm getting paid residual income because I'm just out here, you know, got the best interest for the next man. They're getting paid residual income because somebody else under them is paying into this entire system. Which, hey, if you will feel like that's your thing and that's what you want to do, it is what it is. But what I'm here to do is to make everybody aware. This is not investing. This whole recruiting thing, that is not investing. Forex is its own market. Forex existed before the whole MLM was incorporated into it. It's people out here that know how to trade Forex, know how to read charts, know about pips, and know about all kind of other different technical aspects in Forex. But what you're not going to do is try to tell me that you can take this platform, IML, which is essentially a educational platform that has mentors and has video tutorials and all kind of other stuff that they give for free on YouTube, and try to say that you're guaranteed to pretty much become, you know, super successful and guaranteed to become a millionaire. It's a lie. Do not believe what a lot of these people, and I know it's hard coming from your own people, they target you. They're going to target these. It's sad to say, but we target each other for these pyramid schemes and these MLMs and stuff like that. So they prey on like college students. I've seen a ton of college students. I've seen a ton of like just people who are thirsty for that quick cash. Those are the people that are generally getting sucked into this thing. And it's just super crazy because it's like, it's that mentality that, you know, you don't want to necessarily be a part of. They make you feel so good. And I've seen it at all different levels. I've seen a person that was not very informed. They did like a little Zoom call and stuff like that. And you're like, boy, get out of here. Like, you don't know nothing. Then I seen, you know, a young lady who was, you know, had her 20,000 followers on Instagram, the lashes, the hair, the Gucci boots and whatever, and looked like she's living this lifestyle that she probably really isn't. And then I've seen it to the point where I've seen guys that had the same, like, you know, financial intelligence as I do. And I'm like, dang, man, if I didn't know any better, bro, you would have convinced me to be a part of this. So they hard hitters. They coming at you at every different angle. Some of them coming with you with the glam and the glitz. Some of them coming at you with the, oh, you know, the very professional structure, like, yeah, change your life, that 9-to-5 structure. And I truly believe in that. Some of them do come with like good points. They make very valid points in their videos. But at the end of the day, guess what? It's still a mechanism and it's still a tool for them to be able to recruit you. Why do you think they're hosting these calls? They're not hosting them for their health. They don't do this for their health. They do this because if they can host a call and have 100 people on it, they might just get 5 people to sign up. And that may just be an extra $150, $200 a month that they receive. So that is why it's something that's so attractive for a lot of these people to do. And so what I'm just here to tell you all today is IML Academy. This is, I almost cuss because it is not something that is going to make you a multimillionaire or, you know, like this super rich person without basically screwing over other people. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be pulling all these people into this system. And at the end of the day, I've been on the calls and I joined them I haven't joined the platform, but I joined the calls just so I can learn. And I actually got kicked off a call the other night. It was so funny. I got kicked off the call because I was asking the right questions. Why out of a call of 100 people, you ain't had nobody in there asking no questions? And they have their little, you know, their little minions in the group and stuff, hyping it up, hyping the chat up, making it seem like it's something that it's not. And at the same time, you getting all these praises and amens and all this other stuff that these people doing. And I'm like, I'm the only one that's asking real legit questions. And Buddy talking about, oh, I ain't like your energy, so he kicked me out the little chat or whatever. That was fine because, you know, if anything, I challenged what he was doing. And it is what it is. You need people like that who gonna challenge your opinion, challenge your thoughts, and you need to be able to stand up and prove it. But he know he couldn't do that, so that's why I got kicked off. So anyways, just think about this, and this is one point that I saw on like a YouTube video. If these MLMs made so much money, then why wouldn't banks just go ahead and buy them out? Why wouldn't a bank, the largest bank in the world, JP Morgan, Bank of America, something like that, why wouldn't they go ahead and buy this MLM out for $1 billion, give them, buy all your technology, buy all your resources, and now I can just take advantage of it? Because guess what? Banks trade. Everybody loses in trades, no matter whether you're in the stock market, whether you're in crypto, whether you're in Forex. People lose. They have bad days. Even the banks can't perfect it. Warren Buffett, he's made several bad mistakes in the stock market, and he's a long-term investor. He lost like money in Delta by selling it too early and stuff like that. So it's just like, if these institutions that pretty much run the world have no interest in buying this technology outright that they claim to be selling you, why do you think that it's of that much value? So anybody who made it to this point in the video, I hope, I want to say pray to, that you just, if you are a part of it, let that be your last $100, $200 payment and stop recruiting our brothers and sisters into this system. Because if you were a true entrepreneur, then you would go out there and pretty much build your own platform. Because let me just give you an example. To be, I think, a chairman 25, you have to have like 1,250 or it's either 2,500 subscribers, and you get a residual of either 6,250 or 12,500 per week. And if you have 2,500 subscribers paying you $200, that's $500,000 a month. You mean to tell me that you would rather recruit for somebody else. They take that $500,000 and give you a measly $50,000 or $25,000 a month. That is insane. I would never let nobody pimp me like that. I don't care what. I will build my own platform. So shout out to the real entrepreneurs, the real marketers, people who are out there marketing themselves, marketing their own product. I respect you to this day, and keep grinding, because even though they have this cult-like following, it will soon get exposed. I'm one of many people you can check out. It's another video, I think it's called the Academy Swag. I'm gonna put his link down there too. Just hear what the brother has to say. And there's several people that will sit here and try to shut this down. But I ain't gonna lie, they got a team, and they got a strong cult following. So it's gonna be hard to get in people's heads, because they are convinced. And I honestly don't even believe they got money like that. I believe it's just that facade that they're, putting out there into the world and stuff like that. But a lot of these people don't even have money. For example, it was somebody that I know. She literally posted on her story, "You just started trading Forex yesterday, but all of a sudden, if this was a real trade, I would have made $1,700 in 30 minutes. And I'm like, what? Like, how can you? Then don't post that if it's not a real trade. It's the what if. You may not have even had the money to put into this trade. So don't be presenting that to the world talking about some tap in. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I gotta say to you all today. Be wise, be smart, support people who really out here grinding, people that are real entrepreneurs, people who are getting it out the mud, and definitely people who aren't stepping on their brothers and sisters to get to the top, because that's the whole point of that pyramid. You got to be bringing in people. It don't stop. And yes, it's people out here that are very good at marketing and recruiting, and they probably have a lot of money because they were able to convince somebody. Think about the Avon and the Juice Plus and all these other different platforms that you can incorporate MLM into. And that is, to me, what makes it that scam-like mentality, because you have no true interest for your brothers and sisters that you're trying to bring in. It's so crazy. I'm gonna be real and straightforward with y'all, but I don't see any white people or Indian people in this whole like Forex chairman MLM type thing. I don't see that. I don't see it. So it's like, y'all go target them and see what they say, because a real entrepreneur is not going to be fooled with that. If anything, he would have got you. You would have been his little pawn, his little minion that's bringing residual to him. So as I said, I don't even think these guys got money like that. If you want to go toe for toe, anybody comment, please comment in the chat. I would love to hear it. You got to show me some money. Show me 100 racks, show me 200 racks, and then I might be a little convinced. You might have me, go over to the dark side. But at this point, not convinced, won't be convinced. That's my last call sitting on, and I will continue to bash it, make fun of it. And for the brothers and sisters, I hope that you just do the right thing, because what comes around goes around. You pretty much trick people and give them a one-sided story into how you can change your life and you can make all this money. It's not that easy. It's not that simple. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this content. Please subscribe, like this video, give it that thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and I'll be back to you with more content. Thanks, and you all have a blessed day.
Yeah, there's nothing but money. I'm bumping rainy or sunny. I got the buses feeling shitty, thumping Monday through Sunday, cause I'm a salsa thump. Me and Zelly bringing the funk. Hey, 808, steady busting like it's T on the trunk. All piercing my subs, nothing but the truth, man.